Scene 1. You might have heard that every single snowflake is unique. However, did you know there is a scientific explanation why? It's all about the journey the snowflake follows after it is formed.
Scene 2. Snowflakes are made up of ice, but not just any kind. They're composed of a specific kind of ice crystal structure called a hexagonal prism. Scene 3. Snowflakes can vary greatly in size, ranging from less than a centimeters to more than a feet in diameter.
Scene 4. A snowflake that looks like a needle, a pillar, or a prism is actually still a snowflake. It just followed a different formation process. Scene 5. Whether a snowflake takes on a flat or column shape depends on temperature and humidity conditions.
Scene 6. Some snowflakes with simple shapes form in thin clouds. More complex shapes form in thicker clouds with varying conditions.
Scene 7. The largest snowflake ever observed fell in the year 1887 in Montana, USA. It was reported to be 15 inches wide.
Scene 8. In Japan, you can visit a snowflake museum called the Snow Crystal Museum.
Scene 9. Each arm of a snowflake follows the same pattern because they're exposed to the same temperatures and humidity.
Scene 10. Snowflakes have 6 sides because of the way water molecules bond together when they freeze.
Scene 11. Almost all snowflakes contain tiny bits of dust or other particles. They act as the seed around which an ice crystal can start to form.
Scene 12. It takes roughly 1 million tiny cloud droplets to create a single snowflake.
Scene 13. Even though they're light, snowflakes fall at a steady pace due to air resistance. They usually fall at about 1 to 6 feet per second.
Scene 14. It's possible for twin snowflakes to form. These are 2 snowflakes that are very similar in shape because they formed in very similar conditions.
Scene 15. Some snowflakes are made entirely of water, not ice. These supercool water particles remain liquid even at temperatures below the normal freezing point. Scene 16. There's a classification system for snowflakes that includes over 35 different shapes.
Scene 17. Some snowflakes are colorless because they reflect image light.
Scene 18. Other snowflakes appear white because they reflect all colors in the light spectrum.
Scene 19. Magic snow, or polymer snow, is artificially created snowflakes used for winter decorations.
Scene 20. Sniffing snowflakes is an actual profession. Scientists who study snowflakes are known as nephologists.
Scene 21. The Guinness World Records lists the world's largest snowflake as one that was 38 centimeters wide and 20 centimeters thick. Scene 22. Japan has an annual snowflake science competition where scientists and artists create sculptures of snowflakes.
Scene 23. Wilson Bentley, an American farmer, became known as Snowflake Bentley for his microscopic photography of snowflakes.
Scene 24. Snowflakes aren't always white. Pollution, dirt, or other chemicals can turn snow different colors.
Scene 25. Snowflakes aren't the only forms of precipitation to fall from the sky. There's also sleet, freezing rain, graupel, and hail. Scene 26. Snowflakes that form in extremely cold weather are often smaller, less intricate, and more geometrically simplified.
Scene 27. A snow flurry refers to light, fluffy particles of snow. They usually don't accumulate because they're so small. Scene 28. The world's largest snowflake sculpture was created by artists in China in 2007. It was 29.9 feet tall.
Scene 29. Snowflakes are formed when water droplets freeze onto a dust particle or other snow crystal.
Scene 30. Contrary to popular belief, it's actually almost impossible to find 2 identical snowflakes. Even twin snowflakes are not 100% identical.